I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel. Today is our 2018 first Sephora box unboxing of 2018. I'm so excited. Okay, so this month's theme is Happy New Year. Yay! I'm so excited. Okay, of course you get your 50 extra points. The Sephora Play Box is a monthly subscription box that sends you samples of items that are sold exclusively in Sephora, usually. Or primarily in Sephora or on the company's website. It's $10 a month, and you get it at every month. With this card, you get 50 extra beauty points when you go into the store and purchase anything in your box. I always forget to use that every single time. Every single time. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, I do keep these bags. Not sure why. I haven't used any of them for anything, but I keep them just in case, you know. For travel, little things, giving them to some people, you know, sampling out other stuff, which I still have not done. But anyway, back to the unboxing. First thing out of the box is, ooh, a Way Hair Care Treatment Mask. They have a sea salt spray that I really like. It smells really good. I might have to try this soon. I just did a mask on my hair maybe a month ago. I think it's time for another mask. So we'll try this next weekend. Way products are really good. They usually smell really good. I haven't tried a lot of them, just a couple things, but I did like them. The next thing is the Bozhe Exfoliating Peel Gel. Oh, there we go. And let's see. For my face, clean dry skin, gently massage, gentle exfoliation. Yay! I love a face mask. I love a face mask. Next thing out of the box, out of the bag, is the Glam Glow Super Cleanse. This is actually what I use for my face to take my makeup off, so I'm going to save this for travel. Because inevitably I need to go somewhere, and the pump that they have, well, they've changed their packaging to a squeezy tube that looks just like this. And I haven't actually opened that one yet. I bought it in anticipation of my pump going empty, but my pump was lasting a lot longer than I thought. But anyway, this cleanser is awesome. It removes all my makeup. My face always, always, always feels super clean. Is that? Super cleanse. I didn't do that on purpose. But it does always feel super clean. I never feel like I have residue left with that. So awesome, awesome product. The next thing is the Pep Start eye cream. I'm at the very, very end. Which way is this? Oh, at the very end of my eye cream with First Aid Beauty. So this is right on time. Although I'm pretty sure I have other eye cream products from other boxes that I need to go through first. So this is going to be like, you know, probably third or fourth in line. The next product in the bag, I love these bags, are so full of stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 6 products now? I thought it was 5. I'm not complaining at all. The next product is an Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss. I could not think of the word. And it's in the color Kristen. I do have gloss on. This is ColourPop though. This looks like a really nice nude, like a mauvey nude. Doe foot applicator. Oopsie. Oops, sorry. Too close. Doe foot. Kind of smells like vanilla. Very slightly. It's got a sweet smell. We'll try that on later because I'm not messing this up because I'm going to the movies. And the very last thing in the box, the very last thing in the box is the new Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. I said, oh, because I'm used to getting a perfume sample. Not like I don't have enough samples, but I kind of look forward to that every month. So slightly, not really disappointed, but, you know, taken aback a little bit. This is white. So this makes me think that they're going toward they're leaning toward the Veil Mineral Primer. No scent that I can detect at this moment. Let me just touch this. Let me just touch that and see how that feels. Completely different texture than the Veil Mineral Primer. A completely different finish. It is not mattifying. It has hyaluronic acid and niacinamide in it, if that helps you. It's not as drying, matting as the other one. And it's kind of sticky now on these fingers, which I'm not a fan of. And it's sticky on this one, on my hand. Not a fan of that. But, you know, nothing really compares to my Holy Grail Veil Mineral Primer and my number 28 by Hourglass. Everything is, if you're not first, you're last kind of thing when it comes to primer for me, because those do so well on my face. Yay. Okay, let's see. What is the first thing I'm going to use in the box? The hair mask, which I'm using next week. The cleanser I'm saving. I swear I'm going to go through all these lipsticks. I will try this. I will try this week. This is a really pretty color, though. I mean, it is a really pretty nude, so a neutral. So we'll try it. I'm not gonna try this primer. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not. This is going to somebody who needs a primer, because I'm not a fan of Smashbox's primers. I haven't been for a long time. So I'm not even going to waste my time. I saved the other one, so somebody just might get a big old Smashbox primer bundle. How about that? Happy 2018. January is almost over. So, does anyone else have an issue with the box coming so late in the month? Because I feel like it's the 28th. My box just came like on the 23rd or 24th. I'm not a fan of that at all. By the time I get my box, I'm ready for the next one. It's like almost February. So anyway, tell me what you're looking forward to checking out in your box, what you're going to try first, what you are not looking forward to trying, which kind of is a bummer. I mean, I really do like primer. I don't think it's time for a new one yet. You know what I mean? Anyway, let me know what you're looking forward to trying. If you got different products, what did you get? And they're trying to gear them toward your profile a little bit more. So if you are younger in your age bracket, you may have gotten different things. So let me know. Thank you for watching. This is not a sponsored video. I just love Sephora. You guys know how I roll. Thank you again. Have a great week. Bye.